Locate the bulb you intend to replace.
Turn the wheel to give yourself better access to the lining.
Pry up the center of the rivet first. This will unlock it. Next, pry up the base of the fastener.
The steps needed to access the other side are the same as this side.
Remove the bolts by turning them counterclockwise.
Pull away the wheel well lining for access to the bulb assembly.
Remove the bulb assembly by twisting it counterclockwise. Pry the tabs outward and pull the connector to release the bulb. If you're having trouble, try using a panel puller to help pry out the tabs.